A flood emergency in San Jose. Neighborhoods completely underwater. Residents evacuated by boat as the Coyote Creek.
See, that's why there's water right there.
Oh, fuck.
That's how high the water was, dude.
Fuck.
It was just straight flooded.
Oh, there's no way we're going.
You gotta take this?
That's all mud.
You can't, dude. That's like thick.
Observation.
Yeah, you see that little posting right there? The water was that high when me and Dad. Holy shit. Oh,
Dang, got it.
Oh, is it like the water lines? Come on, I'm getting on.
Why? Oh.
It's actually just a combination of my regular page. Oh, you're right.
As the water spilled in from Coyote Creek, it was cold and murky. As it filtered through the neighborhoods, it became a noxious stew of sewage, dirty diapers, and engine oil. The firefighters urged everyone to stay put and wait for rescue. Once on land, the victims were decontaminated with soap and water. The elderly, the babies, and the pets.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. I took a picture of a basketball that went floating down the river.
One firefighter said that this was the worst, biggest rescue that he has seen in 35 years.
It was that high. Oh, fuck.
Oh, it's quicksand.
Oh.
Yeah, so all this right here was flooded out. Like the floor right there, you weren't able to get to it.
Did you see how I slipped? How did I not eat shit? How did I not eat shit?
Your right foot caught you.
You mean my left?
Your right foot, dude. You fell.
Yeah.
Oh, fuck.
Wait, my left foot's kind of slippery.
Oh, fuck. Look at all this caca.
Hey, you never know. We might find something.
Send me off onto my
True.
journey right here. Slide me on the mother.
Right there, though. There's...
Yeah.
Oh, jeez.
Oh! Still within reach. Use your foot.
Your hands, maybe? No!
He's like, that hurt, dude. I got deep.
Nuts, man.
He's like, I do play with Mega Bloks, or did play with Mega Bloks.
Mega Bloks aren't that bad, dude. That's
On my knee too. Ooh, fuck! If I would have cracked it, I would have cried.
Oh, guys, look at that. Check that out.
Where?
Right here.
Oh, shit! I'm actually a student.
Have you ever seen the movie?
What movie?
Blazing Saddles.
Oh, they have a movie?
Not this before.
Oh my god.
There's a movie called Blazing Saddles. You guys.
No, I haven't seen it.
Oh, it's terrible.
Is it cool if we just walk around and ask people questions?
Actually, you have to talk to them.
Is that
Okay,
you?
no problem.
Okay. Just put
Oh, that. Okay, got it. Awesome. Can we take pictures? Woo!
Confidence level.
What is it? Oh my.
That's so cool. And I got it all, dude. I fucking died.